welcome back to my channel. Thank you Wig Studio One for sending me this piece to do a review on. If you haven't checked her out, she has a support group on Facebook. You can search it under Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. If you haven't already, I'd love to have you follow me, so hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell button for future videos so you don't miss out. Now this piece that I'm wearing right now is Jon Renau's Alessandra, and she's one of my favorite pieces ever. Her cap fits me so well. I have a review on her, but that's what this one is. And we're gonna start trying to remember to tell y'all what we're wearing at the beginning. Today we are doing a review over Estetica's Avalon in the new Icy Shadow color. And it is gorgeous. Look at that underneath. Hello. This is so pretty. And this, let me show y'all. Now this is like a dark blonde color. If you can see it. I'm gonna go out in the sun too so I can show y'all. It just looks dark because this is so light. You know, I mean, it's wow. Okay, let's talk about her cap. And Estetica, they do really good on their lace fronts too. She has a lace front. It is a partial mono and it's a left part, which means that's gonna look like scalp, but it can only part one direction. This part, see how it looks like scalp right there with my finger. She has thin ear tabs. They are not covered with felt. They do have a stay. She's open wefted. She has an extended nape, and she has these hook adjusters here to make it larger or smaller. Now Estetica runs large on me, and so I always have to have the straps at the very back. Okay, let's put her on. I think this is stunning. Let's look at her lace front. It's good. And Avalon is just such a great piece. I love her waves. She's just really cute. And she's easy to steam off this face. But right now, it doesn't feel like she needs it. Let's talk about measurements. My head from the hairline to the tip of my chin is 8 inches and my neck is 4. And my head is 21 inches around. Now this piece fits me really well with the adjusters all the way to the back. Permatease, but it's not a lot. It's just, it's under there, but it's under there for a reason. People think I hate permatease. I don't. I just hate when they put a really bad rat's nest up there, and there's only been a few. Now I know what to stay away from and what not to. Let's go out and look at her in the natural light. This is what she looks like in the sun. And now I'm gonna go find some shade. Okay, guys. She is a very extreme color. It's I think it's amazing. You can see that. All right, guys, I hope this helped. Like and subscribe.